Hey guys, this is Obiel, and I found this game was brain fart. Anyway, found this game on Steam, and it's made by Rooster Teeth, a company that I, for the longest time, wanted to work for. Rooster Teeth, great groups. I tried it for a little while, and strangely enough, on my third attempt trying to figure the game out, I actually hit 11 waves off of the daily challenge. Don't know how I did it. Will I ever know? Who knows? I'm gonna get in here. Try playing some of our favorite characters and such. Or at least the two that I unlocked. Gus, Ray. Chuck, Trent, Corey, and Trish were already unlocked. Of course, I can't choose one person over the other or anything like that, but you know. Don't know who I should play as first. I think we'll get in here and play as Ray, sort of an homage to you missed Ray, but I'm glad you managed to make it in this game before you left. Oh yeah, also downloaded the Bungalow Pack. This is a great game. It's tricky, but it's great. Zombie aliens. Strategy. Guns. Some of your favorite characters. Come get some.
Nice find. Yoink. Nice find. That'll come in handy. Got it. Finally, all my years of video games will finally pay off.
It's hard to commentate over commentary masters.
Okay.
Batter up.
I'm on it. I'm gonna make this thing my bitch. On my way.
Well, I guess I didn't have to say
That'll
it.
come in handy. Nice find.
Thanks, Ray.
Got it.
Oh yeah, and also if anybody could possibly tell me, I'd like to know. Went over here to Gavin's office. That's where I found Ray. Why was Ray in Gavin's office?
Nice find. I'm gonna make this thing my bitch. That'll come in handy. That'll come in handy. On my way.
Man,
my
I'd like
body
to play
feels
these guys in real life.
110%.
NES gun.
Finally, all my years of video games will finally pay off.
Come on, Ray, let me get it some commentary, man. Jeez.
Okay.
You will not.
Okay. I'm gonna make this thing my bitch. Nice find. Got it. Okay.
Boy, if I knew those NES guns were that powerful against alien zombies, I probably would have kept mine.
Alrighty. Okay. On my way.
These things are difficult to dodge.
On my way. Out of ammo. Okay.
Oh,
okay.
Make these things our bitch.
Alright. I'm on it. I'm on it. I'm gonna make this thing my bitch.
There you go.
That'll come in handy.
See if we can find some more people and maybe a new weapon. Not good.
Ow! I'm really hurting here. I'm really hurting here. All right.
Goodness sakes.
All right.
Now, go and get the
Ow!
gun, you dumbass. Team Chaos, really good game. Still can't get used to the way this thing plays. Managed to find 2 characters in my daily playthrough, and having a party against zombies, aliens, whatever these things are.
All right. Yoink. Yoink.
Definitely better than just doing a solo. Stand still into a defensive position and just hang
I just leveled up. That means I'm better than you.
one.
Even more than before. Hey. Yoink. Nice, fine. That'll come in handy. Yoink. Nice, fine. Okay. I am man, hear me roar! Okay. I'm gonna glack the fuck out of everything.
Yeah, I'm starting to see the way this place is set up after watching a few of their videos. If I'm not mistaken, this is a place where Ray and Gavin decided to get to that race. Camera angles.
Got it. Alrighty.
Ah, shit.
Yoink.
Money.
Got it.
The thing gets by the door and make a break for it.
Finally, all my years of video games will finally pay off. Alright. Got it.
In here, Ray, before you die, dude.
I'm on it. Alrighty. Yoink. Nice,
Boy.
fine.
Now let's get the gun.
I'm going to shoot so many Zombiens faces with this. Alrighty.
Yeah, let's do that.
Nice, fine. Alright. Alrighty. Nice, fine.
Okay. Kamikaze.
Okay. Alright. Alright. I just leveled up. Nice.
I love the
Got it.
crafting system
Yoink.
for this. Turrets. Don't know what some of these things are, though. Bear trap. That I do know.
Okay.
Chattering teeth. You guys, if this is Rooster Teeth, where's the rooster? Just asking. That's good.
Yoink.
Kind of strange that you can just
I'm on it.
plop them down without having to
Got it.
go and do it yourself.
Alright. I'm going to shoot so many Zombiens faces with this. Okay. Alright. Oh god, my body. There's pain everywhere. Somebody help me. Anybody.
Rooster Teeth, if this ever happens, find each other quick. Just a tip. Also, why do these change? Are they based on character? The character I was playing as before, I think Corey, I was able to get a gun from here and CDs from here.
Hey.
Don't know. Randomize?
Hey.
Don't know.
Nice, fine. Okay.
So much about this game I've yet to figure.
Finally, all my years of video games will finally pay off.
Just not randomized. Sweet.
Got it.
This place is so huge.
On my way.
That's what she said.
Okay.
Just let them gang up on one thing. Come here, bitch.
That'll come in handy. Nice, fine. That'll come in handy. Alrighty. Yoink! Nice, fine.
Guess I can't really call jinx on that one.
Alrighty.
Okay, now I know I have to get this. Playing as Ray.
Yoink!
Precious.
That'll come in handy.
Sweet. Ray,
Finally, all my years of video games will finally pay off.
winning or losing, you have to get this right.
My body
now.
feels 110%. Yoink!
Oh wow.
Nice, fine. Alrighty.
That'll be great. Come on. Come on, Smellies. Where you at? There they are.
I just leveled up. Nice. Yoink. Nice, fine. Yoink. Yoink. That'll come in handy.
Did not go off though. Damn it. Let's explore some more. Space. Probably wasting my money where I can't afford to waste it.
Yoink.
But I have
On
some
my way.
traps set up, so should be fine.
On my way.
Would it be called sexual harassment if Ray, like, whispers sweet nothings into his ray gun's ears?
Out of ammo.
Oh, that sucks.
Yoink.
Ooh, you bitch
I'm on
smacked
it.
him into oblivion, Ray.
Yoink.
Nice job.
Nice, fine.
Crap. Not enough. What was this? There's the rooster. Here I go. Here I thought you
On
guys
my
were
way.
going to sniff the rooster.
Alright.
Here we go.
Finally, all my years of video games will finally pay off. On my way. Alright.
Come here,
I'm gonna make this thing my bitch.
Yeah.
That'll come in handy. On my way. My body feels 110%. That'll come in handy.
Shouldn't be feeling your body in this
On
sort
my
of
way.
place. There's that
I'm on it.
big nummux.
Okay.
Come on, you. Walk right into it.
That thing is going to explode so hard. Huh. Yoink.
Ray, you got
Nice,
like,
fine. That'll come in handy.
very lucky there. No, you have enough of the ray gun. Go and get the ray gun. You can't afford another hit like that.
I'm gonna glack the fuck out of everything. You know I don't drink, but in this instance, I think it's okay. Alrighty.
Let's just wait for it to come to us. Considering what monster that is. Damn camera angles, man, jeez. Hey, slow down.
Ow! Yoink! That'll come in handy. Nice, fine.
Ray with
That'll
the ray
come in
gun.
handy.
You know you can't take on Ray with his ray gun.
Got it.
Can I get that?
Ow!
Crap.
I'm out of ammo. Ugh.
I'm dead. Logic is panic.